This conference will now be recorded.
Then I'll forget. So what I want you to do is you have names and marks typed, and maybe in the first class 10 names 10 marks. Just copy that and paste it in today's date sheet.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Just copy it without formatting. Do not have any format. If you have format, delete that. Then copy it. Leave one space or two columns. Paste. Again two columns. Paste. Do it 10 times to your right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
How to copy and paste that?
Control C and Control V. Control C
The
for
whole.
copy, and then
Okay.
select the whole thing. Control V for
Okay.
copy. Sorry, Control C for copy and V for paste.
Okay, ma'am.
So to
Thank
the
you.
right, yeah, to the right, paste it to your right 10 times, and again copy and paste at the same time for the down 10 times. So total you must have 20 datas. So total you will have 20 datas. Did one or two just write yes in the chat box so that I can continue? Okay. So we formatted now in this part, correct? But we just formatted. We only gave colors. We only gave wherever whichever color I want. I just gave it without. There was nothing there. Just so we have here something called conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means where you format your table with the condition. So you will have a condition here, and then you will format it. So for that, there are many conditional formats. Okay, so for that I made you type copy paste all of this so that you can just do one by one. For this, first you have to click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. So the first one says highlight cell rules. That means whichever particular rule, according to that criteria, your data, whatever you have selected, will get highlighted. So highlight cell rules greater than. So I am giving a condition here telling greater than 60 to be highlighted. So you have a drop down here where you can change. Highlighted with green fill and dark green text. Do OK. So what happened? I have highlighted, used greater than. Okay? Then same way I will select this part, that is the second data. I will use the second condition, that is less than. So I am giving a condition here, less than 50. Less than 50. I want to highlight that in red text, or I will click on red fill. See, it is highlighted in red color, less than 50. Same way I will select the second one, the third one right here, less than. Next, third one, conditional formatting, between. So here I need to give two values because it is between 1 to 1. So I will tell as between 31 to 70, and I will give it a yellow fill, and okay. Then you have equal to. Equal to means exact. So I will tell equal to 65. Equal to 65 in red.
Ma'am, can you just do the equal again?
Select equal to. That's all. Give the exact number what you want to, and okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Select the next one. Text that contains. So for text that contains, what I will do is I will select all. That is this button. I will select all. Conditional formatting. Text that contain the letter name. To you can custom format. You can change the colors as well. So wherever there is name, see, it is done in purple color. So that's what I wanted. Okay, text that contains.
Ma'am, could you show how you changed the color again?
Yeah, I will again show it in the next. So you just select it, conditional formatting. So I will take duplicate value. So here you go to the drop down, go to custom format. In that you have color. So these are all you can change. So you can go here to the automatic and change the color you want. It's bold italic I'm doing. So there is no duplicate in this, so it is not highlighted. I will do one duplicate. See, automatically it got highlighted because there was condition in this. Okay. So we have date occurring. See, date occurring, as we don't have dates in our data, so it's of no issue. No point of using it. You will not get it, so you don't have to use it. Okay. So then you have bottom rows. So that is first 10 items, first rank, second rank, like that. So as you have less number, you do it for 3. Reduce the number here for 1 or 3 I will do. You can fill it with green fill with green text. Okay, that is the top three, it will be highlighted. Same way you get bottom three, bottom items. Same way I'll do for 3. 2, 3, anything you can do because you have less data. So let it be red color only. See, automatically it is highlighted. Same way you can do for average. See, this is when you have percentage in your data. You don't have percentage, so that's fine. Above average, below average. So above average to green. Above average to green. Below average. Red color. Have data bars. See, highest, least, so it will give you data bars. You have different types, like you have different solid fills, you have different colors, you have, okay, then you have color scales. So as it is text as it is numbers, automatically it will take like the rows. You want more rules, you can change the rules here as well. So the lowest with this color, highest with this color. So that's how you can also manage your rules. Then you have icons. I just give you this. You can change the icons to this. Okay. So you just type here also like data bars, gradient fill, solid fill, icons, no, these are color scales. So just name it like this. So like this you should also do, right? And you should have the name for it. You should have this and the name. So total 20, whatever I have shown, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 I've counted, and then 20 of your choice. So total 20 conditional formatting. I think you are also doing with me, so you might have done most of them. Just take some time. I just give you like 2 5 minutes, Take a picture, zoom it out like this. Okay, take up one picture and send me. Don't say the number of pictures. Do it. Anyone has doubt? Mm, Aishwarya, you're there? Aishwarya, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You're working on the laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen? Show me what you're doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a second. What happened, Aishwarya? Amrita. Amrita K.
Yes, ma'am.
You can share, you're working on the laptop.
I'm using my phone and then my laptop for Excel. Should I send a picture or do you want to see?
No, that's okay.
Should I send a
Logan,
picture, ma'am, in WhatsApp?
picture everybody must send once you're done. Sindhu,
Okay.
Sindhu,
Yes, ma'am.
you can share your screen.
Yeah, ma'am.
You can share it now.
Is it visible, ma'am? Is it visible, ma'am?
You don't have to explain, you can just do it. I would just want to see what you're doing. That's all.
Ma'am,
Yeah, who's that? Who's that?
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, in the text that contains highlight cell rules,
Hmm.
if you want to like show like two digits together, cannot we? Like two numbers together.
What two numbers together?
Ma'am, if you want to show like text contains in that option, if you want to highlight both 78 and 98 number, cannot we like, highlight both together?
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is that you asked me? You asked me like if A can be shown, even B together to be shown in the text that content.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you can do it, but you should do twice.
Okay,
Text
ma'am.
that contains name, text that contains marks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Aditi, Aditi, Aditi is not there. You're you're working on the laptop. You're working on the laptop. Can you share your screen? Ritu, Vinod, Ritu,
Yes, ma'am.
you can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just make it.
Mm.
Yeah, you can share. Okay, you're done working, is it? Maybe you can just copy paste one data and show me.
Ma'am, could you repeat that?
You're done working. I just wanted to see you work, so just copy paste one data.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay, okay, close. Okay, 7, 8 of them I've got. Maybe let's give you.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, tell me.
Is there any specific way the color scales work? How is it like color coded?
See, basically, it's always like the good one gets green, the middle is the average is the yellow, and this is the red. So that's how
Oh,
it's
okay, ma'am.
already done. So, but you can change it. That's how you can change the color codings.
Okay, thank you.
Same way here in color scale, see the less one gets the dark color, the least gets the very light color. So that's how it's shaded. Okay, now this part we will do when we do tables. That is the format table and cell styles. When we do this part here, we will do that. Now, you have cells, you have 10 lakh 48,000 rows, 16,000, just everything you know. But what if I want to add something here now? So I wanted another one instead of here greater than, I wanted to add it above this. Okay, but as I've written there, I need to copy paste or something, but then it comes over this. No, instead I can add a cell here. One cell I can add, one row I can add, one column I can add. So you go to insert a cell. So it will ask you where you want to shift the cell down. See if it is, this is not a plain text, right? So there is some text. So this will not get deleted. Instead, above this will get below or above. You get a cell. So, okay, see this has gone below. You get a new cell here. But I wanted the whole row. Then you insert row. See, a complete row is inserted. Same way, insert a column. Now I inserted a cell, I inserted a row, I inserted a column. So what is my total columns I have? What is the last column? Sorry, last row, Ruchita. How many rows are there in Excel sheet? Ruchita, Gurupriya, Maria.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me,
Ma'am, what was your question, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
how many rows are there in the one Excel sheet?
10,48,576 rows, ma'am.
Okay, so 10,48,576. Now I have in, you can unmute. I have inserted 1 and 2. So 10,48,576 plus 2. It should be 578 now, right? So you do control down arrow, control down to the last row. See, I have 1,10,48,576 only. So what happens is the total number of columns remains the same only. The columns is not been changing. But then what is changing here? It is just shifting the cells. Okay, we just shift the cell, inserting a column. Above that, we putting a column. We're not inserting a complete row or a complete, like adding them. Okay, we're just moving them in cells. So same way, column. So you see column, we added one column, right? See, except T only. It should be except E. No, it's except T only. Whatever we have inserted, we will delete it. Delete column, delete row, delete cell. So it will ask whatever you have shifted down, you want to shift up. Yes. Is this clear, class? Can you try it once? Do it, everyone.
Ma'am, could you show that again?
Which one you want me to show?
Or could you just name
Deleting.
what you're supposed to do, ma'am?
Just insert a cell, insert a row, insert a sheet. Don't move the cursor because you'll get confused inserting in somewhere. When you're doing it first, keep your cursor here in A1 only. Insert a cell, insert a row, insert a column. Then delete a column, delete the row, delete the cell. Like what you did first here, you will do last here when you delete it. So again, you come back to A1 with the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it, class.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
1 second. 1 second. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, can you please show me how to insert a cell?
Class shift down. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, if you have to insert more than one row or column, then what we will do?
Insert it again. You can insert.
We have to insert one by one.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Select how many, like 3 rows. But first, I want you to do one by one only. Then you can do this. You can select like 3 rows you want. You can just 3 rows. Insert 3 rows. Insert 3 columns. One column. Okay. The more useful is inserting one cell, one row. Like that will be usually do it when you are required in between of your data. It is not that before you start your data, you insert rows and columns. Next you have formatting. Like when you're increasing the cell, what you do, you just click increase like this, right? Then instead what you can do is you do like this, only one cell get increased. Now this whole data you want to increase the row height. Select format row height. So by default you will have 15 as row height. You will change it to 30 and do okay. See, same way column width. By default you will have 8.43. I'll do it to 15 and repeat which data you want to change the format. Format the row height. Column width. Okay, do it. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to type 1, enter. Keep your cursor here, click and drag. Type as Jan, your cursor, click and drag. Type as MON, your cursor, click and drag. Monday, click and drag. Okay. Click and drag. Everybody's getting this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this option is called as autofill. So how is that we are getting this, ma'am? But one you're getting only this. Should I do click and drag? It only two. See, these are already in our custom list. Where what I'll show you. If numbers you want, numbers are already there in the Excel. You just have to give the consecutive numbers like 1, and 2, select both, click and drag. Same way, 2, 4, select both, keep your cursor here. You should get this black plus, only then you can click and drag. 3, 5. Any numbers you can give. Like I'll just give like 68, 98, 95.
Can you repeat how you did that?
You should give two consecutive numbers, like two numbers, 1, 2, select both, keep your cursor here, click and drag. Two numbers must be there. So here now what is the difference? So that difference goes on with the rest of the numbers. So for example, I will do 10, 20. So I have 10 to 25. So I have 15 difference. Automatically the next numbers will have 15 difference. See?
Now I'm not getting the sequence part. Like I'm getting continuous one and twos, but I'm not getting 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Mega, Mega
Yes,
Bansal.
yes, ma'am.
You can mute. Now type 1 and 2. Enter. Select both. Select both. Select 1 and 2 both. Now keep your cursor to the end of the 2. Select both first. Select both.
I selected it, ma'am. Got it.
It's come now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Right. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You can stop sharing. Where is this now? So how did we get this? Go to file menu, go to options. Okay, in options you have something called advanced. To click on advanced, under that scroll down, you get the heading called general. In general, you have this edit custom list. Click on that. See, you can see to your left, all are there here. So here ABCD is not there, so I will put ABCD. Either you can put, see, first I'll show you again. I will do ABCD now and show you. See, I'll get A only. Why? It's not there. How do I go? Go to file menu, go to options, advanced, edit custom list. Here you can add. First type, then click add A. Either you can put that in commas. I will put only till K now. So click on add. You can see it is added here. Do OK and do OK here again. Now I press A. See, only till K it will come again ABCD. How much ever we have put, only that much only it will come. See, A to K, again A to K, again A to K. Is this understood, class?
Ma'am, when you edit the custom list, do you have to type out all the letters?
Whatever you want, you have to type. See, I typed only till K, so only till
Okay.
K will come. It will not come till Z.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you type, only that will come.
Ma'am, from where we can customize the letters?
Go to File menu, Options, Advanced, scroll down to General, this part, General, Edit Custom List. Here you should edit. You should write here and then click on Add. Either you will write in commas or you will write in Enter.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I don't have a advanced option in my Excel, ma'am.
You can share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell again how to come to this custom list?
Don't worry, I will not eat you up if you share your screen, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll show you anyways, you try that. You'll not lose marks also if you share. I'm not for you, I'm just telling you in general. You go to File menu, you go to Options, in that you'll have Advanced, and then you go to General here, and then you have Edit Custom List. Okay, done everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Gurupriya, you got. Now,
I got, ma'am.
okay. I don't want the condition here. I will clear the rules. So I get a normal this here. And just copy paste this data below. Now we will sort it. So this is not in ascending or descending wise, right? So we can do this by using sort. So you click on sort A to Z, that is alphabetical wise, A to Z. See here you're getting two options. One says expand the selection, the other says continue with the current selection. So continue with the current selection means whatever you have um, selected, that only will get sorted. Now Sonu has what marks? 78 marks. Just remember. Now I will sort it. Continue with the current selection. So Sonu had how much marks? 78 marks. But how much this Sonu has now? 35. What happened? Only this has got sorted and this was remaining the same. Now I will do undo. I will select, go to sort A to Z. I will do expand with the selection. Now remember Sonu has 78 marks. I have selected only A or column. Okay, see both Sonu gets 78 marks only here. That's because with the other next column it will get sorted. Same way you can do for Z to A, that is ascending descending. Now I will select the numbers, click on sort and filter. See, sort largest to smallest, automatically Excel takes into the different names and different this. I mean, when it is numbers, it will come to smallest to largest. When it is the same way, you can do here, smallest to largest. It will ask expand. I will say continue with the selection. Okay. So Sonu gets 12 marks now because smallest to largest is changed. I'll do undo. I had done with the selection. Sort to expand the selections here. Okay. Will you be able to try it? Do it, everyone.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
can you just say again like how the consecutive numbers work? Like when we drag it.
2, 4. Need to select both and then you keep your cursor here. Click and drag. Okay. Now you have something called filter. So filter filters your data according to your requirement. So I will select this, click on filter. So you can see a small down arrow mark here. This is the filter part. You have to click on this, whichever you don't want, just unclick to OK. See, it is hidden. So this part is not deleted, it is hidden. Make a point, your rows get hidden in the filter, not deleted. So you can see here 63 is not there, 65 is not there. Okay, so you want it back, clear filter, you get all. So you want to remove some of them. Okay, again, select all, do it. Is this clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
find and replace. So you want to find something in your sheet, click on find. I'll select the word sono. And next, see wherever it is not case sensitive. Show you wherever it is going on, showing you next. Find all. See everywhere it will get show you where all you have sheet 1 and which all cell you have. It is showing you here. Control plus F2, find. Same way, you will replace. So I will replace the word sono with replace. Replace means see only that is replaced. You still have sono in this other side. Replace all wherever the word is there. Everywhere it will get replaced. See, it will show you. We have made 13 replacement. Control plus H. Is the scale clear? Find and replace.
Yes, ma'am.
Control plus F. Find. Control plus H. Replace. This all was done.
Alignment was done, ma'am.
Okay. Additional format. So let's take it.
Ma'am, could you show the alignment slide again?
Give me a second.
Done, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Open करें. Open. Oh. And I can't you. So open.
Can you hear me?
Amma, open killer.
Can you hear me?
Come here, Amma. Come here, Amma. Tu vas an apple.
Anybody
Tu
has
vas an
any
apple,
doubts?
where? Where?
Or we can wind up the class.
I will
Yes,
open.
ma'am, we can hear you.
It's
Now you can hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You can hear me
Yes,
now?
on back.
I can't hear you. Just wind up the class. See you tomorrow at 6:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.